Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just going to do this makeup look here. So today I just went for, as you can tell, a very dark, grungy, smoky, sexy, glittery, grungy glam. How many more things can I put in the title? As you can see, I also did pair it with a red lip, which I'm kind of looking at it now and thinking maybe it's a wee bit too much. I kind of look as if I want to kill you. I'm kind of getting assassin vibes from my makeup today. Anyway, if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty then, so as you can see I have my base makeup down and I just have my concealer and I've just set everything in place. I have my eyebrows done, I have a base on my eyelids which is the Helen E Stage eyeshadow primer, so I'm now just going to get started on the eyes. I'm going to use a palette that I have not used in about a year and it is the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. I wanted to do something quite dark and grungy, so this palette does have quite nice shades in it for that, so I think I'm just going to take this shade here which is Tea Peach. Peach Tea. Yeah, I was reading it back to front. So I'm just going to zoom you in the bed. So I'm just going to take just my usual Kylie Jenner blending brush. I'm just going to start by popping that just in the crease. That's actually quite a really nice shade and it's actually blended out really well. I don't really have much experience with Too Faced eyeshadow palettes. I think this is the only Too Faced eyeshadow palette I have. I don't know, they just have never really tickled my fancy, like any of the chocolate bar palettes, or is that even what you call them? But anyway, they've never really caught my eye. I've never actually wanted to splash out the money and actually purchase them. The one that did appeal to me the most out of all of them was this palette, hence why I bought it. I actually bought this palette whenever I was on holidays last year in the Sephora in Krakow, so yeah. I'm going to take Peach Tart next, which is this shade here, and again I'm just going to be blending that just into the crease. So a couple of videos back I did mention that I'm going to Poland again. I'm going to Krakow in a couple of weeks and obviously they have a Sephora there, so last year in the Sephora I went kind of mad actually. I think it was like the second day in and we were there for 5 days and I had spent all of my money. Yeah, I literally spent all of my money and then some because I actually had to lift more money. It put me in the worst mood ever because it was just like, I sometimes can't help myself whenever it comes to makeup. I just spend. But it was all good. Once I have that shade built up into the crease, I'm going to take that Peach Tart shade again, just in that same blending brush, and I'm going to try and drag it down slightly to the inner and the outer corner. I just realised I'm using quite a lot of Helen E products today. So I'm going to use the Helen E Clear Shine Gel. This is just kind of like a fixing gel for glitters. Then I'm going to go in with the Helen E Cosmetics glitter, and I don't know what shade this is. I have no idea what this glitter is, but it's the one that looks like that. It's kind of like brown-ish, I suppose. So I'm going to take a classic shader brush. I'm just going to go into the Helen E glitter. Oh no, I'm going to get a full light. And I'm just going to press that on. So I'm just going to bring it right up to my crease as well, and then make sure you go right out to the outer corner and then bring it right into the inner corner also. So I will actually put in the description box below the shade of this glitter if I can find it. So usually what I also like to do is once I've applied a glitter onto my eyes, I always like to take a setting spray, mainly the Morphe setting spray, and I just like to actually spritz my eye. I just kind of feel that it just like sets the glitter in place just a wee bit more. And then I'm going to go into the Too Faced palette again. I'm going to take the second darkest shade, which is Peach Tart, going to take that exact same brush. This is the shade that I did darken and deepen up the crease. So again, that's what I'm going to go in and do. But I'm going to kind of pack at it this time because I'm not wanting to do swiping motions because that will interrupt and disturb the glitter. So I just want to pack it on. And then I just like to take that big fluffy brush and then kind of just gently just swipe across the top. Okay, so that's the other eye done. I'm just going to finish off this eye and get on to the rest of the face and the lips. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Aqua XL, just a sweet black pencil liner, and I'm just going to pop this in my waterline. Going in with the Too Faced palette again, I'm going to be taking, oh, let me see. Yeah, so I'm just going to take that dark brown shade, just the Peach Tart. Just trying to get this shade just as tight to that lower lash line as possible. And I'm just going to go into that first shade that we... Oh my god! I have earphones in between my legs and they just fell, and oh my god, it felt like there was something running down my leg. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord save us. What was I doing? Yeah, I'm going to go off this first shade. I'm just going to take that just in that Kylie Jenner brush, but I'm just going to switch it to the more flat-ish side. I'm just going to use this shade just to blend out that lower lash line. I know I'm going to be putting lashes on, but I'm just going to coat my lashes a wee bit with the Tartiest mascara. And then for lashes today, I'm going to be using T lashes in the style Morocco. Yeah, Morocco. I haven't used these lashes in so long and they're actually quite nice. I do have a discount code with T lashes, by the way. It's non-affiliate, I don't gain anything from it. It's 20%, so it is quite good, and it's always linked down below if you want to check them out. Isn't it absolutely crazy what a difference lashes and eyeliner makes? So I'm just going to finish off the face now. So I'm going to use the Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey, and to top that off I'm going to use Colourpop Flexitarian. So then for bronzer and blush, I'm just going to be using this sweet e.l.f. duo, and this is just called Fiji Matte. So I'm going to use this for my blush. I actually put an order on e.l.f. website just before I filmed this video, actually. So it was actually an email from e.l.f. saying that they had like a sale or something, so I got a few wee things in the sale. Mainly their face wipes, because I'm not even joking, if you haven't tried the e.l.f. makeup remover face wipes, they are honestly incredible. So they are. So they're usually £4 down to £1.60, so I bought like 10 packets. But I bought an eyeshadow palette and it's in a collaboration by somebody. Can't actually remember who it's actually with, but there's like a neon lime in it, so that's the reason why I bought it. I'm just going to use this shade here to bronze. I think we're now ready to go on to lips. I was just going to stick with a nude, but I think I'm going to pair it up with a red. Do you know what I'm going to do anyway? It's been such a long time since I've done a red lip. So I'm going to be using the Revlon Colourstay Lip Liner in the shade Red. I wonder how they came up with that name. I'm just going to use the Deca Scarlet Liquid Lip, and this is their matte velvet lip colour in the shade Siren. It is the most perfect red shade I actually have in my collection. Just to finish off this makeup look, I'm just going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So then I'm just going to use the card that Kylie got me for Valentine's Day. Just to... There we go! I knew I was going to come in handy at some stage. Okay, so everyone, this completes this makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed watching. Just before I go, I just want to mention, I think I forgot to mention it in my last video, which I'm actually putting up today. Thank you guys so much, honestly, from like the bottom of my heart, for 100,000 subscribers. It honestly means the absolute world to me. And don't forget to follow me also on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. They'll also be down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.